For all my young niggas out there. That Baltimore shit, nigga.
I see y'all standing on the corner.
You know what I'm saying?
They don't know what's going through your mind.
I feel your pain. Shout out to that nigga C Mills on the track. Yeah.
Misunderstood.
Baltimore misunderstood. That little nigga misunderstood. That little nigga come from the mud. That little nigga ain't had shit, so he bag shit for them fresh kicks. That little nigga ain't had a mama. That little nigga stay in drama. That little nigga eat hard head. That little nigga got a fucking problem. That little nigga misunderstood. 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 That little nigga misunderstood. That little nigga misunderstood. That little nigga misunderstood. That little nigga when he went to school, they talked about his clothes and shoes. Mama never had shit, so he went to school and he broke the rules. Told himself when he get old, he gon' get some money, gon' make some moves. On the block, he keep a tool, cause bitch niggas, they act a fool. But can't get a job, the requirements, they too high. He go apply, they tell him bye, he never get a reply. He on the grind, he wanna shine, his foster parents ain't looking out. He stressed out, go from house to house, he got locked up, tryna flip an ounce. What he do, he ain't got a choice. Politics, he ain't got a voice. Where behind the ears, he still moist. Young boys making all the noise. In the hood, they getting it up. Homeboys, they set you up and your life gone, now that's fucked up. Sometimes I just look up and wonder what's next, wonder who next, wonder who gon' die without they best. Life just a test, whole lot of stress. How the fuck did I get in this mess? But I go on, but I stay strong. Blessings come fast, so I just hold on. Pray to God so that I'm never alone in these streets, so I stay with the chrome. Misunderstood. I'm from the mud. Ain't had shit. Baltimore. Ain't got a mama. Stay in drama. He hard head. That little nigga got a fucking problem. Yeah. Yeah. That little nigga misunderstood. That little nigga misunderstood. That little nigga misunderstood.